Hello, global investors and future homeowners. Have you ever wondered why smart buyers are zeroing in on under construction properties in Bangalore? Today we are revealing secrets that could revolutionize your investment strategy. Stay tuned for insights that could redefine your financial future. Let's start with economics. As real estate prices climb, under construction properties in Bangalore offer a golden opportunity. Picture this, buying in 2024 could mean massive saving compared to prices in 2026. It's not just a purchase, it's a strategic financial move. Imagine getting up to 40% off on your property investment. That's what new construction properties offer. These discounts are not just numbers, they are your tickets to bigger gain and better deals. Do you dream of designing your own space? Under construction properties give you that liberty. Customize your dream home or office right from the foundation. It's not just about saving money, it's about creating your personalized heaven. Bengaluru, the Silicon Valley of India, is an investor's paradise, especially when it comes to under construction properties. The city's booming tech industry means steady growth in property value, the smart choice for savvy investors like you. High returns on investment, that's the promise of under construction properties in Bangalore. Buy early, sell high. It's like playing the stock market but with a solid security of real estate. Bangalore's growth isn't slowing down. With infrastructural advancement and a booming job market, the demand for properties is skyrocketing. Buying under construction now means reaping the benefit of rapid appreciation later. Thanks to RERA, investing in under construction properties comes with a safety net, promised delivery dates, or your money back. It's a win-win. Say goodbye to investment anxieties and hello to assured returns. With just 10% down payment, you can book your future in Bangalore. It's not just about affordability, it's about assessing potential with heavy upfront cost. Change of a plan? No worries. Under construction properties are hot in the market, making them easy to sell. Flexibility in the name of game in Bangalore's real estate scene. So, there you have it. The Insider's Guide why under construction property in Bangalore are the smart choice in 2024. Are you ready to make a move that could transform your future? Share your thoughts below. Hit subscribe for more insight and check out the link in the description to start your investment journey in Bangalore's thriving real estate market. Your dream property awaits.